Hello! In this video I am going to show you how to install RStudio on Mac OS X. RStudio is a really powerful integrated development environment, or IDE, for the statistical software R. RStudio is also open source and completely free. Note that you need to have the R software installed separately from RStudio. I cover installing R in a separate video. Now, let's get started. The version of Mac OS X that I am running is Yosemite version 10.10.2. The first thing we need to do is navigate to www.RStudio.com in a web browser and click the Download RStudio link. The version of RStudio that we want to install is for the desktop. Click the RStudio desktop link. We want to install the free version of RStudio. The commercial version of RStudio is aimed at commercial use within companies. Scroll down and follow the Download RStudio desktop link. We are now on the main download page. Note that RStudio is compatible with R versions 2.11.1 or higher. If you have an older version of R installed, you should upgrade your version of R. Also, as previously mentioned, if you have not already installed R, you will need to do so. Scrolling down, we see a list of installers for Windows, Mac, and Linux. For this demonstration, I am going to select the second link, since it applies to Mac OS X version 10.6 and higher. Clicking the link opens a file download window. I choose to save the file to my Downloads folder. The download process may take a few minutes to complete. After the installer has completed downloading, I am going to navigate to my Downloads folder. Double-click on the RStudio Download Manager to launch it. Next, drag the RStudio icon into the Applications folder. RStudio is now installed. We can launch the program by navigating to the Applications folder, scrolling down until we see the RStudio icon, and double-clicking on it. You can also drag the RStudio icon to your dock if you want to keep the program pinned there. The last thing we need to do is eject the RStudio Download Manager. Locate the Download Manager on your desktop. Right-click or Control-click on the icon and select the Eject option. Congratulations! We have now successfully installed RStudio. Check back later for a video on how to get started using RStudio.